Good morning from Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. Beautiful sunny day down here today. Out from the museum, we've got a 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3200 series truck. Truck is done in a tartan turquoise and a Bombay ivory, and that makes a great color combination. This is a one-of-one truck produced in 1959. It has over 30 factory options on it. This particular truck is air conditioned from the factory. Also has power steering. We've got the chrome bumpers, we've got the chrome guards, also got the special V8 grill in this thing. It has a 283 cubic inch motor in it, 230 horsepower. And back in the day, that was a real deal, especially if you were using it as a farm truck or a daily work truck. I mean, that 230 horsepower was key to this thing. 77,000 original miles on it. The museum is the 5th owner of this truck. It is all documented, a numbers matching truck. We're going to get this truck, take it back into the museum. Once again, thank you guys for watching our videos. We certainly appreciate it.